Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today I'm out here in Sturgis. I bought me some highway pegs on the way here because, well, my knee was giving me a little problem, and you know, you need another way to put your feet, especially when you're riding long days. So follow along with me, and I'm gonna put them on. Okay, we're going to try to do this. We're going to focus on the piece first. So, I've got two of these put together. This will clamp onto the bar, something like that, and I'll just tighten it up, and then this will go on it. Pretty simple. The foot peg piece is pretty simple. It's this one, and I got to make sure they're not for just one side or the other. I just lost that set screw that was in there. There it is. Wonder if there's another one. There it is. There's another one in there. Okay, looks like they're both the same. So okay, so this isn't really a tutorial, but because, well, so I'm gonna put this on, surround. Let's try the other side. And I'm gonna put it, I think I'm gonna put it right about there. I'm gonna put it the highest I can get it, or lowest I can get it, and still clamp it all the way. So keeping this little plastic piece in is a chore. There we go. So I'll tighten these up, and I will probably have to readjust them and get them to fit me right. Let's see if I've got the right. That one's close, but it is a metric. Do I have the right deal here? Okay, so that's kind of there. Now, we'll take this piece off on the end. And put the other in. And we'll see if we can't get this thing adjusted right. These are pretty simple, but plus there's a set screw in there to put them in there permanent. Make sure these are ambidextrous. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so something to look at on this, I'm realizing now. It's got a set screw for the bottom and the top, so you're going to want to be able, this to be able to fold up toward the top. So there's a flat piece right here, so that's going to have to go down, and the set screw will go in back here, and this will be able to slide up, and you'll put the set screw in to have it at the right height you want it. So let's get this back in here. There we go. So I'll tighten all this up off camera, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when I'm through. Okay, I got this side done for the most part. The only thing left is I'm going to take that set screw and I'm going to push that peg out a little bit like that. Unfortunately, I don't have a Allen head quite small enough, but the one I do have is pretty close. Well, until it wasn't. So I think that's good. We'll see. But see how I've got them here. I'm just going to do the other side that way too. I tightened this up so it will sit in this position right here, and I loosened this up to drop it down a little bit, because with it up, my leg still had a pretty good bit of bend in it, and that wasn't going to give me much different than what it was here. But now it gives me about 3 or 4 more inches to stretch my leg out. So now it barely has a bend in it, and it should be about right. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in to Jethro's Garage. Hey, having a great time out here in Sturgis, and just relaxing and enjoying life a little bit. Y'all take care. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to smash that like button. If you don't mind, share it with your friends, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all take care and be blessed.